Welcome to Tiny Bites. Here's your host, citizen scientist in neurology, neuroplasticity, and positive psychology, Sandy Weaver.
Do you work in a space that feels confining to you? Let me share a story from many years ago. I worked in an 8-foot by 8-foot room that was stuffed with racks on 2 walls, making the room effectively 7 by 7 feet square. Now, add equipment that sat in built-in cabinets on the other 2 walls, taking up 3 more feet on each side. Now my workspace was 4 feet by 4 feet. Wait, there was a diagonal cabinet cutting that space in half, so now I've got a triangle that my rolling chair barely fits in and a door that opens outward behind me. That space was confining for sure. If you work in a space where you feel like you barely have room to breathe, maybe what my boss shared with me way back then will work for you now too. Your brain has no boundaries. Your thoughts have no boundaries. Your ideas have no boundaries. Your imagination has no boundaries. When you're tempted to be irritated with the tight space, unleash your thoughts on something more fun. It'll help you cope with the feeling of confinement. I promise. I've been there.
Subscribe to the podcast and share it with your friends. And there's lots more at centerforworkplacehappiness.com. Here's to your well-being, one tiny bite at a time.